Welcome to our channel. If you want to build credit quickly, follow these step-by-step instructions using bank accounts and secured credit cards. Step 1. Open a checking and savings account if you don't already have them. While bank accounts don't directly build credit, they demonstrate financial responsibility to lenders. Step 2. Apply for a secured credit card through your bank. These cards require a cash deposit as collateral and are designed specifically for people building or rebuilding credit. Step 3. Make your security deposit equal to your desired credit limit. Most secured cards offer credit limits matching your deposit amount, typically between $200 and $2,500. Step 4. Use your secured card for small regular purchases like gas or groceries. Charge no more than 30% of your credit limit each month to maintain a low credit utilization ratio. Step 5. Pay your full balance on time every single month. Payment history accounts for 35% of your credit score, so consistent on-time payments are crucial for building credit. Step 6. Ask your bank about credit builder loans. These specialized loans deposit funds into a savings account while you make payments, building credit and savings simultaneously. Step 7. Request credit limit increases after 6 to 12 months of responsible use. Higher limits improve your credit utilization ratio and demonstrate creditworthiness. Step 8. Monitor your credit score monthly using free services. Track your progress and ensure your secured card is reporting to all 3 major credit bureaus. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.